third quarter na tayo guys, so double live tayo ngayon ha. So doon sa isang live ko, so naka-landscape, hindi ko na pwedeng sabihin kasi bawal na yata dito sa page ko, kaya hindi pa na-fix yung landscape nito. So 44 yung Inverga, black yung short nila, and then 45 ang Vinya. So third quarter na tayo. And guys, mamaya ulitin ko yung schedule natin bukas, at tapos December 9 may schedule na sa Plaza. Kaya manood kayo, unahin nyo ang Plaza, papawin nyo pa na manonood.
Robert, di ka ganyan sa shooting natin na.
Yeah. Hey, habol tayo.
2 points, just from the stick. To rear, just number 14.
Hey, man. Hey, block. Olo.
2 points, jersey number 17. Deadlock, 49.
So same score na tayo, 49, third quarter.
2 points, jersey number 1. Salon. 2 points, jersey number 6. Salon.
51-55.
10 seconds to shoot. Salon. Jersey number 20, hold the foul. Third personal foul, first team foul.
$54-55, isang lamang ng Binyan kontra Inverga. Possible mag-change favor ulit. Change favor na nga.
2 points, jersey number 14. Change favor.
Sabi guys, palitan tayo ng lamang. Wala nagpapalamang dito ng malaki. Ganda ng pasa.
2 points, jersey number 20. Jersey number 14, water for technical. For taking a foul. Sabrep.
Laro lang gusto namin, kay ganyan kayo.
Tama na. Laro na kayo. 56, 57, change favor. Sige.
Yung mga player mo muna.
Salon, jersey number 1. Illegal suspend. Salon. Tatak Gel, Binyan.
Third quarter, 6 minutes and 27.
Hey!
Last 2 points, jersey number 1.
Oh!
56-59.
Two points, jersey number 1.
Diamond tayo, Diamond!
8 seconds, violation. 2 points, jersey number 6. 2 points, jersey number 3. Ten seconds to shoot.
$58 in Verga, 63. Binyan, 5 minutes and 9 seconds. Third. Stop.
Ge.
Third quarter tayo. Welcome, my
Second team foul naman po sa Binyan. Double foul on. Jersey number 3. Jersey number 6 ng Tatak Gel. Binyan, warning for technical for resetment to a call.
$58-65. Yes, ganda na laban natin. 58-65. Ayan na. Sabi ko lang.
Foul on. Jersey number 77.
Yes, maganda laban natin. Palitan lang lamang. Tapos ay makalamang man. Hindi masyadong nalaki. Ayan. So, third quarter na tayo. Pero dikit na dikit pa rin. Ayan.
2 points, jersey number 15.
Tapos keep calm and play lang kayo, guys. Hindi lalabas ang inyong laro. Sayang ang game. Pate. Ayan. Maganda yung laro ay wag na nating pasamain pa yan. Oh, what's happened?
Sevel.
Uy!
365,
dadalawa na ulit. So, grabe guys, ang ganda talaga ng laban natin. Ano ka shoot?
Hey! 2 points, jersey number 15. Ten seconds to shoot. Jersey number 2, Edward Weir.
$66-67. Grabe, isa na ulit ang lamang. Possible, mag-change favor na ulit tayo. Gumaganda na nga lalo. Ayan. Ayan.
Change favor.
Change favor ulit. Palitan lang guys ng ng lamang. 68 in Verga, 69 ang Binyan. Possible, mag-change favor ulit.
No good.
Dikit ang laban. Uy, black. Okay.
10 seconds to shoot. One minute. 2 points. Just number 1. Foul on. Just number 8. Black foul. Sabret.
Score natin 68.
Second personal foul.
Verga,
Warning for
black short,
penalty.
71, Binyang. Grabe guys, napagandang laban. Magko-fourth quarter na, halos dikit pa rin. Walang lumalamang ng malaki. Kaya konting tease na lang, December 9, doon daw ang venue
Foul
na.
on.
Okay? So December 8, di ko pa alam.
Just number 9. Illegal suspend. Second seconds
Okay,
remaining.
game natin bukas, December 7, Convention Center, CSTC first game versus Binyan, 4 p.m. second game, Padre Garcia Bulls versus San Pablo Dugout, third game 8 p.m. JCPC Batang Chaong versus ano yun? Batangas Berbets. Ayan.
Five seconds.
Labon!
Well, third quarter.
So ito guys, score natin, ulitin ko lang, 68 in Verga, Wildcats, and then 73 ang Binyan. So fourth quarter na tayo, wala pang nagpapalamang ng malaki ito. Tapos ang lamang ay palitan lang. So yun, dikit na dikit talaga. And then schedule para bukas, so babanggitin ko sa inyo. Ito yung schedule natin. Ayun, nawala. December na pala tayo. Nasaan na yun? Bukas guys, ulitin ko ha. First game 4 p.m. CSTC versus Tatak Jal Binyan. Second game 6 p.m. Padre Garcia Bulls versus San Pablo Dugout. Third game 8 p.m. JCPC Chaong versus Batangas Berbets. So venue po noon dito pa rin sa Chaong Convention Center. So hanapin ko lang yung isa na wala. Okay, December 9, ito na yung sa Town Plaza sa harap ng simbahan sa bayan. Ayan, so first game December 9, 6 p.m. JCPC Batang Chaong versus Dugout San Pablo. And then second game 8 p.m. in Verga Wildcats versus ay, wala. Wait lang. Wait lang guys, nag-reconnect ang aking YouTube. Oh no! Okay, second game, December 9, in Verga Wildcats versus Batangas Berbets. Ayan. And then, December 10, venue, Chaong, Town Plaza pa rin. Nawala na naman ang net. December 10, venue, Chaong, Town Plaza. First game, 6 p.m. CSTC, Sariaya versus...
Third quarter.
Nawala na naman ang net guys, mamaya na. Nawawala ang signal. Mamaya na ulit guys at nawawala ang signal kapag ako ay nagche-check ng sked. Nawawala yung sound live. Okay, final quarter na tayo guys. 68 in Verga, black and short. Binyan 73, all white.
Jersey number 14, Terry.
$71 in Verga, 73 Binyan.
Jersey number 14, Terry.
176. Grabe, sports lang. Para maganda ang mga laro natin. Ay, hindi na recordation. Pero kita naman sa live. 71-76, 8 minutes and 15, final quarter.
Kabila!
3 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 14 to win. Jersey number 14 to win. Jersey number 14 to win. Foul on.
74-82.
Jersey number 14, push foul, Sabret. Second personal foul, second team foul.
Ready tayo dun sa tatira. Ayaw niyo paglayan eh.
$74-84.
Ten seconds to shoot. Ten seconds to shoot. Jersey number 1 to win.
77-84.
Two points, jersey number 62. Two points, jersey number 3. Two points, jersey number 1.
Double.
81-86, kakaunti na ulit.
No good for a follow.
81-88.
Same ball. 3 seconds to shoot.
$81-88. Last 5
10
minutes and 30
seconds to
seconds.
shoot.
Yun, napaganda pa. Sabi na.
2 points, jersey number 1. 10 seconds to shoot. 2 points, just number 6.
$83.90, 3 minutes and 30.
10 seconds to shoot. Basket round. Joseph.
83 in Verga. Black short. 92 ang Binyan.
10 seconds to shoot.
2 minutes and 40. 5 seconds remaining for the final quarter.
Offensive foul. Just number 8. Offensive foul. Ten seconds to shoot. Seven, 9 seconds to shoot. Last 2 minutes.
Ready tayo.
10 seconds to shoot.
Verga. Black short. 92 Binyan. Final quarter 1 minute and 35. 36 or 2.
Seven. Yes, points, just number 1. Foul. Just number 1. Push foul, second personal foul, penalty. Just number 8. Push foul, Sabrat, ready to find out. Foul on. No good. And no good again.
$86 in Verga.
30 seconds remaining.
Binyan last 30. 8 seconds remaining for the final quarter.
5 seconds to shoot.
Siya inuubos na oras dito ng Binyan.
10 seconds to shoot.
Wala. Takbo.
Ten seconds remaining.
Congratulations, Binyan. So well played pa rin in Verga. Napaganda naging laban. Final score 86 in Verga 93.
Congratulations sa Top Joe Binyan.
Bukas,
Lord again,
lahat ng
just
laro
number
natin.
14.